City of Signs and Wonders Assemblies presents Annual International Gathering of the Prophet. Theme: Coat of Many Colors. Date: Thursday the 13th through Sunday the 16th of February 2025. Thursday 13th and Friday 14th of February 2025. Time: morning section 8 a.m. Evening section 5 p.m. daily. Saturday the 15th of February 2025. Time 8 a.m. is a minister's breakfast by Bishop CNC Onyeledo. Venue at Jehovah Jireh. Sunday the 16th of February 2025. The grand finale. There will be birthday feasting. Venue at the Cathedral Eleso bus stop off Ira Road by Odunade filling station, Iyanera, Ijaniki, Lagos State, Nigeria. Ministering Bishop CNC Onyeledo.
David wanted us to know that as mighty a king he was surrounded by mighty men. It is the cumulative effect and impact of mighty men that made him the mighty king. All that God is looking for is one man that is willing and dedicated. A man that will not retreat. When you refuse to walk, you donate your grace to another.
Host: Reverend Dr. CVC OKORO.
Tears of people should not affect your decision with God. The greatest decision a man can do and stand is to decide for God.
A prophesy out of assurance. Some of you under the sound of my voice, whether you are online or on the ground, that we miss the goodness of God this year. God will give you profit that will shock you this year.
For more information and inquiry, please call the numbers on your screen.